Alright, this is Kenny with Abundant Acres Homestead. I got this battery that shows power. This battery does not. Obviously I put this one in there. Light comes on. I put this one in there. And the light does not. It'll show you positive on there. And all I do is hook a jumper wire from positive to positive and negative. It's going to spark at you a little bit. See it? You just leave that on there for a few seconds. Take it off. Put it on the charger. And you just saved yourself 50 to 80 bucks, depending upon the size of the battery. Obviously, these little ones are a lot cheaper, but these big ones, they're expensive. So, there you go. I'm going to say it works on most of them. I've done it on the DeWalt batteries, and I've also done it on the Lincoln grease gun batteries. So if you run them too far down, just make you a little jumper wire, and you don't even have to have those ends on it. You can just push it down in there, and all you're doing is tapping it on there just to give it a little bit of boost, and the charger will come back on. Have a great day.